As Governor Hochul and the legislature continues to work on a state budget for next year, it needs to fix a major problem New York State has with its unemployment insurance fund. Because of the pandemic and the closure of businesses in March of 2020, New York State's unemployment insurance fund is about $9 billion in debt to the federal government. We borrowed that money to continue to pay benefits, but those benefits, those regular benefits they're paid workers, are 100% financed by New York State employers. Payroll taxes paid by every employer in the state. Without an infusion of funds, something that 31 states have already done, New York State has not, this debt is going to be a significant financial burden on New York State employers. As I said, we've got a $9 billion deficit. We don't expect the state to put $9 billion on the table, but it needs to make a down payment. These layoffs were not the fault of business. These were driven by public policy. This was a public purpose through these ordered business closures. We think there should be a public-private sharing of the cost. They need to provide immediate unemployment insurance tax relief through a bill that's already passed the state assembly, but it also needs to put some public money into this program to help avoid increased taxes, to pay interest on that federal debt. Without that, as I said, this is going to be a long-standing financial burden on businesses long and small, and that burden is going to last through the end of this decade and beyond.